Anya Jane gets the first prize.
Somebody get me a hammer. Wanna break all the clocks in the mirror. Go back to the time that's different. The time when I didn't feel like there was something missing. Now my body and mind are so distant. Don't know how to escape from this prison. How can I?
To live in a world that's this full feels like living inside a prison. Better late than never. Stop polluting Mother Earth, save the nature this minute. We living beings who are dying in silence can't voice it out like you humans. Save nature, save Earth.